Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 5 of Standard 7 SS. The name of the chapter is Location and Time. Got it? Today we are starting a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Location and Time of Standard 7 SS. Got it? My dear student, here I have put one circle. My dear student, it is the symbol of earth. It is the symbol of earth. And we know last year we learned also that the shape of the earth is round. The shape of the earth is round. Okay, got it? Okay, last year we also learned in first semester chapter 5 Earth Our Home. In that chapter we learned about latitudes and longitudes. Okay, what we learned about latitudes, longitudes, then oceans, then continents, globe, everything we learned. This year also, in a first sem, chapter 5, we are repeating the same thing a little bit in a deep sense. Little bit in a deep sense. Got it? Now, my dear student, this is the round shape. It is the symbol of earth. It is the symbol of earth. My dear student, here I am drawing a line in a center of the earth. In a center of the earth. Do you know what is called? It is called 0 degree latitude. It is called 0 degree latitude, and the name of the 0 degree latitude is equator. What is that? Got it? Equator. And if I say what is the definition of equator, what is the definition of equator, you have to say the horizontal imaginary lines, the horizontal imaginary lines which divides the earth into two halves, and degree is 0, that is called equator. Got it? My dear student, equator divides the earth into two halves, north and south. Okay, this is called north hemisphere, this is called southern hemisphere, and divides the earth into two halves. Got it? And if I say about the definition, okay, this is called latitude. Latitude, what is the definition of latitude? The horizontal imaginary line drawn on earth. Okay, that is called latitude. Now this is the horizontal line which divides the earth into two halves, north and south. That is called 0 degree latitude, and the name of the 0 degree latitude, that is called equator. Got it? So what is the definition? The imaginary horizontal lines drawn on earth, that is called latitudes. Got it? Second thing, do you know how many important latitudes are there? There are 5. How many? 5 important latitudes are there. Okay, I am showing here. This is called equator, 23.5 degree N, 23.5 degree N latitude, that is called Tropic of Cancer. Got it? And 23.5 degree S. S means south, N means north, S means south. So 23.5 degree S, that is called Tropic of Capricorn. Got it? Next one. Here 66.5 degree N. That is called Arctic Circle. And last one is 90 degree. That is called North Pole. Here 66.5 degree S. That is called Antarctic Circle. And last one is 90 degree South Pole. Okay, we don't consider North Pole and South Pole, but we can consider these five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? So how many important latitudes are there? 5. How many? 5. Which are they? 0 degree equator, 23.5 degree north, that is called Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree S, that is called Tropic of Capricorn. Again 66.5 degree north, that is called Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degree S, that is called Antarctic Circle. So got it? How many important latitudes are there? There are 5 important latitudes. Got it? Which are they? Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle. Got it? Got it? India is in a northern hemisphere. India is in northern hemisphere. Got it? My dear student, if I ask a question, how many latitudes are there on Earth? How many latitudes are there on Earth? What would be the answer? Can you tell me? Last year I explained. Okay, correct. There are 181. How many are there? 181 latitudes are there. How? I will tell you, my dear student. Okay, 90 latitudes in northern hemisphere, from 0 till 90. Okay, from 0 till 90, and here 90. So 90 plus 90 and plus 1, this is called, okay, this is there na, equator. So 90 plus 90 and 1, so total 181 latitudes are there. How many latitudes are there? 181. Okay, shall I revise once again? Once again I am revising the thing. Remember, the shape of the earth is round. Got it? Second thing, the horizontal imaginary lines drawn on earth are called latitudes. Okay, got it? Second thing, how many latitudes are there? So there are 181. How many? 181 latitudes on earth. Got it? How? So 90 latitudes in the north side, 90 latitudes in south, and 1 equator. My dear student, the distance between two latitudes, from 0 degree till 1 degree, from 0 degree till 1 degree, the distance between two latitudes is more or less 111 kilometer. How it is? 111 kilometer. So from 0 degree to 1 degree, 111. From 1 degree to 2nd degree, that is 111. So like that we have to count. Okay. So what is the distance? What is the distance? 111 kilometer distance between two latitudes. Got it? Next time we will learn about longitudes. Thank you.